If you're unsure how to manage your money or where to start, this may be for you. I'm covering 3 useful steps to get your finances in order. I believe financial planning is about giving your money a purpose and how you afford what matters to you, whether that's a car, a house, or eventually retirement. For beginners, we start with 3 things: budgeting, saving, and investing. Here's what that means. The first area I like to dig into is budgeting, tracking where your money goes. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or you can get fancy and use the latest app for your mobile device. Put down your income, whatever you earn each month. Then list your expenses: rent, food, bills, everything. Add them up. If your expenses beat your income, you've got some trimming to do on your expenditures. If your income is more than your expenses, you can pay off debt or start your savings plan. I believe it's important to know your numbers and stay on top of it. The second area I like to look into is savings. I think it's important that you prepare for unexpected hits. You can start with a small emergency fund, enough for a basic fix or unexpected bill. One thing you can do is set your bank up to do systematic transfers from your checking account to your emergency savings account, whatever you can spare. For some people, it may help to add a goal, something you're working towards to keep you motivated. Eventually, aim for 3 to 6 months of your typical monthly expenses to have a solid emergency fund in place. Start where you can and grow it over time. The third area we look into is investing, with the goal to grow your money for the future. Inflation can reduce what your cash can buy over time. Proper investing has the potential to counter that. 2 common vehicles to start with: a 401k or a Roth IRA. A 401k is through your job. Your employer might match what you put in, which is free money. A Roth IRA you set up yourself or have a financial advisor help you with that. Your investments have the potential to grow, and that growth is tax-free if you follow the rules. Both let you invest over time. To start investing, we see it as a 3-step process. 1, open an account. 2, fund the account. And 3, invest the funds for potential growth. Start small if you have to, but we believe the most important point is just to start. A couple extra points is we recommend checking your budget monthly and stick to your plan. Pay off your credit cards fully. Interest can add up fast. If you have questions, any at all, I'd be happy to answer them. That's it. Budgeting, saving, investing.